Morning, everybody. So today is just going to be kind of a slow video, I guess. So I'm just going to give you guys some updates on projects and things that have been going on. Haven't really done anything too exciting to make a dedicated video just because I've been working on getting Backroad Gatherings up and running. So I thought I'd just give you an update on everything. Next to the Temu skid steer, we'll give you a little bit of an update on that. We're almost at 20 hours. We're almost to 20 hours on it, so I'll let you know how it's been doing and all that, and just kind of give you a general overall update. The first update I'll give you is on the greenhouse. She's still here, hasn't blown away yet. I did, like I said, and I got the 1x2s, and I tied it down. Haven't done it all the way around, but yeah, she's held up. There's been quite a few pretty crazy windstorms and hasn't gone anywhere. She'll be real good. Hopefully next year I can get some stuff planted in it, and I'll show you guys what I do in there. We're gonna have some planter boxes, have a sprinkler system, all that good stuff. So yeah, next update is over here. With this next part, this is probably gonna be the next, dedicated video that you'll see. Is we've got this area here that I started work on before I started the videos, and this is going to be a place for me to put a hot tub, a Temu hot tub. I'm going to buy a hot tub off of Temu and see how it works. But we're gonna get some crushed rock in here, weed barrier, put down some pavers. We're gonna make it look real nice. I've been building this little retaining wall over here out of some of the extra rocks that are lying around the yard. That'll be the next project. And then the next thing we've got working is got the van done. The van's totally done for Backroad Gatherings, and great news, we've actually got our first booking and another one in the pipeline, so hopefully we'll have 2 bookings soon. But yeah, here's the finished van. It's parked on the side of the house here, but yeah, we got the decals on it, we got our name on it. She looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Collab Sign here in Cedar City did the vinyl decals for me. They did a really good job. Shout out to them. They're not a sponsor. I did pay them. They did really good. And then we've got the interior. Let's show you what we got going on in here. So we got everything packed in, everything fits. We got our garbage cans, 15 tables. I hung the tablecloths up on hangers. One of them fell off while I was driving around, so I think I'm gonna change it to a box rather than that. I know it's not great for having wrinkles in it, but that's okay. It's better than them falling and getting dirty. And then our chairs. All the chairs fit in there. You can see the bottom row and the top row. And let me go around to the side and show you what we're going on here. You can't really see a ton here, but you can see the chairs. So yeah, these are all of our chairs. Believe it or not, all the chairs were also bought off of Temu. They're the exact same chairs that everyone else uses. They just came directly from China, so the price was right. But yeah, I built out so that this side could be put on there, as you can see. So this 2x6 and 2x4 are part of the lid, and they come off with the lid, and you can probably see that in the short that I made unloading. The other thing that I did was, because of the back wall and all of this weight, was I anchored it to the ceiling. So I got some straps, we went all the way along the roof, we tied into each of these cross beams, and then it is screwed securely to the backside. So yeah, that way if I end up having to brake really hard, the chairs aren't going to come flying through and crush me. So far it's holding up really good, working really good. Obviously we got a few events to go to really test and see how I like it. Hopefully it works out real good for me. But yeah, those are some of the updates. Let's hop on to the Temu skid steer, and I can give you a little bit of an update on that and how it's running and show you all that. So follow along. Alright, back to what everyone is super interested in. My Temu mini skid steer. And that was my first video, and it's the best performing video. So apparently you guys like it when people buy dumb things from Temu. Doesn't mean I'm gonna lean into it. I'm just gonna do what I want to do. If the viewers like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't. This is for me. I'm having a good time doing this, so I'm just gonna keep doing what I do. I'm obviously buy stuff from Temu, so you might see more videos of me messing with Temu purchases in the future. So probably nothing as expensive as this thing. It was pretty pricey. It was a little over $5,000. Obviously that's a drop in the bucket compared to if I bought a Cat or a Komatsu or one of those name brand American made ones that are definitely also made in China. But yeah, so we'll just give you a little walk around and show you what we got. So I don't know if I really gave you a great introduction of it the last time, but I've got the wheeled one. I chose wheels because, why did I choose wheels? I think it's because I didn't want to mess with tracks. I didn't want to mess with the way that tracks worked, and I don't know anything really about tracks. I felt like the tires would be easier if they go bad. I can replace them. I don't have to hunt for a track. Obviously, I could modify and put different wheels and tires on it if I need to, so I figured that'd be the easier way to go. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe tracks were a better idea. But yeah, so we got the power switch. So this is a really nice feature. It keeps the battery alive, so you have to actually turn that to get power to it. On the front end here, you've got the hood. You gotta open the hood to get to the hydraulic oil fill. Haven't really lost any hydraulic oil. It's been running really good. I greased it one time. I should probably grease it again. You've got a power takeoff over here for attachments, which is really nice. Maybe in the future I'll get an auger for fence posts or something like that. Yeah, it's just pretty basic standard. I mean, it's got the Briggs & Stratton in it, 13 horsepower. Has not given me any trouble at all. It fires up every single time. It hasn't given me any mess or nothing. One thing that I probably should do sooner than later is get some kind of cover for it. I don't really have room in the garage, and I don't have a shed to put it in. And so this is starting to get a little crispy because of the sun, so I need to get a cover, maybe a tarp or something cheap. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for a cover for this stupid thing. Let's fire it up and show you how it worked. Like that. Hours are at 14, so put the choke on. Take the choke off. There you go. Fires right up, no problem at all. You got your throttle over here. This lever here is for the power takeoff, so I don't really use it. And you've got your bucket tilt, and then you get to kill it. It needs more throttle. Of course, just when I was talking about how reliable it is, it's because I didn't throttle it up. So yeah, you've got bucket, up and down, got your tilt, and then the same levers, forward, reverse. It really bucks. So if you're on harder ground like concrete pavement and you need to turn, you gotta really be gentle with it, because it will buck you clean off of it. And it has no safety features, so there's no like wrist tie or something, so if you fall off, it's just gonna, I mean, it'll stop, but it'll keep on running. So yeah, it's got these little side thingies that are very helpful for when it does try to buck you off. You just run into them and hurt your hips, and when you're an old man, it hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna move a little bit of dirt and kind of show you that she's still working good. good on the fine work. I mean, I feel like I leveled that pretty good. You can see. It's not too bad. But yeah, still works great. Still good machine, still a good buy. I'm glad I bought it. I'll use it a lot more, I'm sure, in the days to come. I might even decide to start renting it out, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, let's get it back and put away. Yeah, there's all the updates for you. So we're still chugging along, still doing stuff. Mini skid steer still is fantastic. I'm super glad I bought it. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. Like I said, the videos might be a little sparse for a little while just because I'm trying to get the rental business up and running. So I'm going to be focusing a little bit more energy on that, but I'll still try to post some things for you. Probably more shorts than long form videos. But stay tuned for the Temu hot tub build. So we're going to do that. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm really glad that you find my ADHD interesting. Like I said, I'm not going to chase the followers. I'm not going to chase the views. I'm just going to post what I want to post. Post what I enjoy doing. Post what I'm doing. And if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You don't have to stay here. But I'd like it if you did. So yeah, if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like. Let me know any of your suggestions. So yeah, thanks for coming by everyone, and we'll see you next time.